Bennett, and you're watching Big Bennett TV.
Alright boys and girls, so basically what's going on is the plastic don't fit right because everything's stripped.
Yeah, and I broke the clip, so I'm just going to
And nobody ever goes and buys new plastic clips because what the fuck, who's got the time for that shit? So what we do around here is we zip tie stuff.
This is the intro to Fender liner, Fender install. We're gonna put the new Fender on, we're gonna put the liners in first, and then we might get it started today, but I don't wanna get your hopes up.
Yeah, boom. So just what we gotta do is drill a second hole. Just fucking zip tie it.
I'm gonna stand up.
If you guys knew how much shit in Canada was held by zip ties, you'd realize you don't need a wall. You just need zip ties.
Yeah, they actually call me a zip tie technician.
Most used tool in the shop.
So pretty much I'm replacing the clips.
Yeah, which is good because zip ties are made of plastic too, so
they don't rust.
It's 10 times easier to cut it than it is to pull two tabs out.
Yeah, this is like, if you guys are gonna install any part back on the car,
This is what you want to do right there, boys.
the main part,
This will do anything. This will hold your grill on, your bumper on, your windshield to your window.
engine mounts.
Engine mounts, yep. This will hold your transmission to the engine if you run out of bolts. And you can also use these on your girlfriend when she doesn't want to shut the fuck up. And you get like 20 for $1 at Canadian Tire.
Yeah.
So it's pretty good. The only thing is you should always get black ones. Unfortunately, we only have white in Canada.
Master Bennett.
There's the original Peter.
What happened?
Well, what happened was we ran out of plastic clips and like nobody wants to go buy those, so we're just gonna zip tie in it. Good idea?
Sounds like a good idea to me. Seems like a plan.
Well, they use zip ties on BMWs too.
Oh yeah. Just the ends.
Cut sweep.
The knobby ends.
Yeah, just the ends. Except you have to buy them individually.
$39.95. What a deal.
Yeah.
No.
Comes in a plastic bag though.
This is the other piece that we pulled off. The other piece.
Yeah, guard for splashing.
Other piece.
Yeah, this is just like what they use for guards from stuff splashing. What do they call it again?
Muddy.
Mud flap. Yeah, mud flap.
Button flap. Yeah, they'll call it a mud flap or a cruddy bitter or actually, I'm gonna put the new fender on first, guys, and then line that up because that's how it came off.
Yep.
Match up. Wow. Hey, it actually lines up like
Pretty dang good.
as good as I needed to, I guess.
Ew.
Right. So that's how. So there you have it, guys. That's how you install the fender on your RSX. All done.
Alright guys, so what we got here is a wheel. What we got there is a hub with the full 5 studs, if you can believe it.
And we put the fender liner in.
Basically had to self-tap the fuck out of it, because what's left...
Hold on, if you wanted to focus, just press on the screen. So go to that.
Oh.
And then see, and then.
Oh, focus.
Boom.
Perfect. See, secured.
But yeah, we had to self-tap
Secured.
because all the clips were broken, and all the clips that it went into
Secured.
were broken, so.
And then boom, that one right there, right into the engine harness. Other than that, mint. It's all set.
And now we're gonna put the wheel on, and hopefully we can get this started and see what's going on.
Wait, this engine runs?
Yeah. It runs on 4 cylinders.
Holy crap, that's not good. This is a diesel, right?
diesel
Oh,
car.
never mind. It's a 4-cylinder. Silly me. By the way, everything torqued to spec, especially the axle nut. Don't forget to bring your tang in.
Bring the tang in.
Yep, bang it in. Just bang in the tang, like an orangutan.
As Paul says, bang it in, bang it out.
Yep.
I'm just gonna put it on my gun.
That's got at least 250 pounds. You hear it? You hear it click? That thing's so strong it'll strip the bolts right out of the hub.
When it gets on the ground here, when it gets on the ground, we're gonna move it a little. We're gonna torque it up just a little bit. Well, we're not gonna. Well, yeah. Whoa, ready? Oh, shoot. Forgot. Torque it. I'm actually lifting the car up. I'm doing so much torque. See?
Wow. The wheel was even spinning. Look at the power, man. Just the hockey wrists. Boom, see that?
Wow.
Wow, man, dude.
It's been a while since we've seen this.
Oh man, that's crazy. Does this thing even run?
I think so.
Okay.
Not 100% sure, but I think it runs.
Wow. All right. Well, hey, dude, fire it up. Let's
Yeah.
see this thing moving. What's that?
This is just batteries.
Oh, don't need that. We have,
I actually
we have battery hold down right there. We don't need
I
that.
swapped out these battery hold downs for rope.
Yep. Much more securable. And when you want to pick your battery up, it's easy. You just pull on the rope.
I got the keys, so we're just gonna get the jumper cables.
I don't have any.
This thing hasn't been started since '09.
So you want to make sure that these ends are touching when I put the other ones on.
There's juice, guys. All right, Paul, you want to hear this start?
Yep.
We get the camera off so it doesn't like roll it, because it might roll it. All right, here we go.
We need some ether. There we go. Oh, fuck. We need a little more electrical pressure in this motherfucker. We need at least 14.4. Or what, 13.2? Hey, just let it charge up a little bit. It's kind of like a balloon when you're out of breath.
Hey, look at this.
Wow, the sunroof goes. If you keep using that shit, you're definitely not gonna start her up.
Oh, sorry. I'm actually blown away with like the fact that this car is actually gonna get driven. Well,
At least out of the
not
shop.
driven because look at the rear tire.
Ain't going far. But we're gonna ride on rim a little bit just for show. Show and tell. All right, buddy, let's see if she's got enough juice. You need the ether? I like spraying shit with ether. Well, that's one way to break in the new oil and the old oil change. There we go. There we go. Holy shit, boys, I tell you, if I've ever seen a Honda start, it wasn't there, but it's running.
What do you guys think? Like that started up real quick. I mean, for how long it was sitting here for?
At least a month.
But yeah, check it out. Good shape.
You guys can probably literally smell the cigarettes through the camera.
I don't know if I smell the cigarettes or the motor turning over, but
I definitely smell ether.
carbon monoxide is real.
Yep.
But geez. So I don't know what else we're gonna do. Like that, we got it started. We got to start on something else now.
Geez, we're gonna have to get you a tire for that rear, eh?
Yeah. What do you think we should do? Like, leave in the comments down below what you guys want us to do. Do you? Well, yeah, us, me, whatever. What you want? Whoa. What you want to be done? Want me to do like the underglow, the paint, body work? Let me know. I'll do it. But she runs now. The wheel looks. Look at how straight the wheel is, and also look at how the door opens up fine.
Perfect. Thunder has been perfectly adjusted.
That's it for that. We got it started. We got it going. I am going to get a new battery. No ifs, ands, or buts. But there's some other stuff that needs to be done. But let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.